Hello everyone, permission mom. Let me introduce myself. My name is Getrada Alexa Tanisadu in IT 2009-0863, class hotel. Now, I will present my work. NTT Paradise on a Hidden Island. As Nusa Tenggara is a province in Indonesia that covers the eastern part of the Nusa Tenggara Island. This province has a capital city in Kupang and has 22 regions or cities. This province is located in the Lesser Sandaise. After the division, Nusa Tenggara is an Indonesian province located in the southeastern part of Indonesia. The province, which has 550 islands with three major islands, namely Flores Island, Sumba Island, and West Timor Island, is rich in culture. NTT culture. There are many tribes in the province, which is also known as Nusa Tenggara. Each tribe is different in language, ikat motifs, and also sometimes in their traditional clothes. Traditional house. Baruniang traditional house. Baruniang house is an ordinary house occupied by a local people in Wairebo village. Unlike the Musyawarati traditional house, this house is not specifically reserved for tribal chiefs or customary leaders. Saoria traditional house, Ten Bewamuni. For the Saoria traditional house, the Bewamuni tent, which vocation a residence, has a curtain size, namely the installation of a buffalo head on the front of the house. Mosalaki traditional house. The Mosalaki traditional house that is specifically inhabited by the tribal chief or board of the Endelio tribe customs. Traditional dance. Gawi dance. Gawi dance is one of the traditional Endelio dance. Jai dance. Jai dance is a dance typical of the Ngada tribe in Ngada Regency on the island of Flores. Kataga dance. Kataga is a community dance on the island of Sumba. Likurai dance. Likurai is an entity dance originating from the Belu community. Traditional clothing. Traditional clothes of the Rote tribe. The traditional cloth of the Rote tribe is a representative of the traditional clothing of NTT, which is well known throughout Indonesia. In the traditional cloth, the Endelio wave of the Endelio tribe acts as an oversight garment bearing rituals or traditional ceremony honoring the creator, and offerings for celebration. Nagekyo traditional clothes. Nagekyo traditional clothes are usually used at traditional events or big events. Tradition. Belis. In the Indonesia context, it is actually a relative common tradition, namely the giving of the dowry from the groom to the bride. The purpose and the vocation of Belis is a symbol of appreciation and recognition of the dignity of a woman, so that it has an important role as a reflection of respect for a woman, to protect women's self-esteem, and as a deference to a violation of moral norms. In general, the Belis tradition is a from giving or reciprocal exchange, although in practice the form or means of giving tends to be seen only from the gift of the groom. While hunting. For the people of La Malera, while hunting is a sacred tradition that has been passed down from generation to generation since the time of their ancestors. It cannot be done just like that and follows existing tradition. From May to October, there are many whales that migrate and pass through the Sahu Sea. At the time the Baleo hunt took place, in contrast to whaling in Japan, the Lamarella people still use traditional equipment because of that they have their own way of hunting Baleo. Eat and drink. Kolo, Kronbos, Mukoloto, Company, Moke, Sopi, Sweet Wine, Bajawa Flores Coffee. Tourist plates. There is Kelmutu Lake, Pink Beach, Komodo Island, Walakiri Beach, Waikuri Lake, Wairinding Hill, Prainjing Traditional Village, Bena Traditional Village. Interesting this. Pasola. Pasola tradition is a game of dexterity by throwing a javelin made of wood at each other. Sola is the meaning of a kind of wood javelin to throw at each other from a horse by two opposing groups. This tradition will usually take place in February or March, but the exact date that will determine its arato or traditional figure. Reba. Reba is a ceremonial tradition that is held from generation to generation from the ancestor of the people of Ngada Regency, especially in the sub-district of Bajawa, Aimere, Jerebuu, Inirie, Mangulewa, Gulelewa, and surrounding areas. This ceremony is held every New Year, especially in January or February, with different dates in its traditional village. The Ngada people, apart from being devout Catholics, also uphold the tradition and beliefs handed down by their ancestors, believing that good and bad luck that arises also has a cause and effect from the ancestors. Whoever violates the profession of the dead will get a catastrophe, and those who run it will get a fortune. Reba is usually held for 1 week, or in certain areas there are usually more than 1 week. Atu. Atu is a tradition that comes from Nagiko tribe, whose fighting style is similar to boxing. There are two categories in this game, namely for children it is also called Atuchoo or Mbelaloe, and for adults or in the Flores language it is called Atumeze or Mbelamese. These two categories will be played on different days. Atuchoo will be played on the first day, while Atumeze will be played on the following day. Usually, this traditional performance will be held between June to July. As a series of traditional events that ceremony the day from planting to harvest in the garden and located in the middle of the village. Gravestone. The tradition of stone graves in Sumba is one of the colossal cultures of the Indonesian people. For the people of Sumba, awareness about life after death has given birth to a unique and spectacular tradition of stone graves. The grave is usually built in front of their house. The people of Sumba believe that the house when they are still alive must be next to the house when they die, in this case the grave. Also, this is a symbol of the clones between the spirit and the living family. As a form of respect for relatives who have died, the family will make a large and beautiful gravestone. The stones are taken from the mountain. then carved according to the desired basic shape, after which ornaments will be carved on each side of the stone that has been formed into the dolmen of sarcophagus. The more beautiful and the larger of gravestone is, then it is also symbolizes the greater status and dignity of the deceased. Okay, maybe that's the result of my presentation. Thank you and see you.